Chit Chat English.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
That's okay. We just started.
Thank you.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Okay, thanks.
All right, everyone. We have a new student joining us.
Hi.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay.
Take your time.
Hi, everyone. My name is Anna. I'm a first-year student.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you, too.
Where are you from, Anna?
I'm from a small town near here.
Oh, nice. And why are you learning English?
I want to speak fluently and maybe study abroad one day.
That's a great goal.
Do you like English?
Yes, but sometimes it's difficult.
What is difficult for you?
Speaking. I understand more than I can say.
That's very normal.
Really?
Yes, many students feel the same.
That makes me feel better.
Good. That's why we have this speaking club.
How often do you practice?
Not every day. Maybe a few times a week.
That's okay, but try to practice a little every day.
I will.
Do you watch movies or videos in English?
Yes, I watch sometimes.
That helps a lot.
I think so too.
All right, let's do a small activity.
Okay.
Turn to your partner and ask simple questions.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
So, what do you study?
I study economics. What about you?
I study English.
Oh, nice. That's helpful.
Yeah, I like it.
Why did you choose English?
Because I want to travel and work abroad.
That's my dream, too.
Really? Where do you want to go?
Maybe the USA.
That's cool.
Do you speak English every day? I try to, even a little. I should do that too. Yeah, it really helps.
Excuse me?
Yes?
My phone just died.
Oh, okay.
I forgot my charger. Does anyone have a charger I can use?
What kind do you need?
It's for an iPhone.
I have one.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem.
Where can I plug it in? There's an outlet over there, by the wall. Over there? Yeah, next to the window. Oh, I see it. Thanks.
You can go ahead.
Thank you.
Excuse me, is this the train to downtown?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, good. Does it stop at Central Station?
Yep, that's like the third stop.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem.
Is this it?
Yeah, this is your train.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Sorry, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. Thanks. Sorry, what stop is this? This is Park Street. Oh, okay. Mine is next. Then get ready. Yeah, I will. Thanks. This is your stop. Okay, I'm getting off. Good luck. Thank you. Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. I'm looking for some sneakers.
Nice. What kind are you thinking?
Something comfortable for everyday wear.
Got it. We've got some good options. How about these? They're really popular.
Oh, yeah. Those look nice. Do you have these in black?
Let me check. Yeah, we do.
Nice. Do you have a size 7?
Yeah, I'll grab that for you.
Thanks.
Here, though.
Can I try them on?
Sure.
Okay.
How do they feel?
They're a little tight.
You might want to go half a size up.
Yeah, maybe a 7.5?
I'll grab that.
Thanks.
What about this one?
Oh, yeah. These feel way better.
Nice.
Yeah, they're really comfortable.
Walk around a bit, see how they feel.
Yeah, they fit great.
Perfect.
Do they come in any other colors?
Yeah, we've got white and gray too.
All right, I'll take them.
Awesome. I'll ring you up. That'll be $60.
Here you go.
Thanks. Do you want the box?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Here you are.
Thanks a lot. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks.
Looking for anything specific?
Yeah, I'm looking for sunglasses.
Nice. We've got a lot of styles.
I see.
Do you like classic or trendy?
Something simple, not too big.
Got it. How about these?
Oh, I like these.
You can try them on.
How do they look?
They look great on you.
Really?
Yeah, they fit your face well.
I like them, but maybe something darker?
Sure, try this one.
Oh, I love these.
Good choice.
How much are they?
Those are $25.
Okay, that's fine. I'll take them.
Awesome. I'll ring you up.
Thanks.
Do you want a case?
Yes, please.
All right. Your total is $25.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Have a great day.
You too. Welcome. What can I get for you?
I'd like a chicken combo, please.
Sure. Which combo would you like? The original, spicy, or extra crispy?
I'll try the spicy one.
Medium or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. Can I have a medium drink?
Of course. Pepsi or Coke?
Pepsi, please.
Got it. Anything else?
One chocolate cake, please.
Okay, that's one spicy chicken combo with medium Pepsi and a chocolate cake. Total is $12.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thanks.
Order number 45. Pick it up at the end of the counter.
Great. Will do.
Order 45.
That's mine.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Looks amazing. Thanks. Hi.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Can I get an ice cream, please?
Sure. What flavor would you like?
What do you recommend?
Our chocolate and vanilla are really popular.
Okay, I'll go with chocolate.
Good choice. Cup or cone?
Cone, please.
One scoop or two?
Just one scoop. Can I try the strawberry?
Of course.
That's good. But I'll stick with chocolate.
That'll be $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your ice cream.
Thanks.
Enjoy!
I will.